wherever we stop trading using regular trading hours, you want to have a line segment. Like I use this one down here. See over here, horizontal ray. Wherever we stop trading using the regular trading hours, as soon as it does that, easiest thing you can do is immediately toggle it right there, drop it on your chart and label it, opening range gap settlement. And you adjust it where this would show high. You just want to have this initially. And what will happen is you're watching price ahead of 9:30. So around 9 o'clock, 9:15, you start paying attention to it. And are we above or below that previous day's settlement price using regular trading hours, okay, on TradingView? But the settlement price label here, you would change it to if the price between 9:15 and 9 o'clock is, if the real-time price is above that settlement price, then you would label it the low. If price at real time between 9 o'clock and 9:15 before the opening bell New York local time, if it is below the settlement price, you would change that settlement label to high. That price, that previous settlement price, is going to many times be revisited, regardless of what the daily range does. It doesn't necessarily imply or mean that it needs to go back up there to go down. It doesn't mean that it can't go up there and keep going higher and not even revisit going back down as a support level. It just means that it's going to want to gravitate back to that, usually within the first 30 minutes. Not always. It's not a hard and fast rule where you can set your whole lifestyle around it. It's not cast in stone, basically. It's just a thing that I like to look for. The market's likely to do it, and how it does it. How does it perform that function? It's not the same thing as a new day opening gap, which is the difference between where we settle on 5 o'clock and then reopen at 6 p.m. That's new day opening gap. And it's not to be confused with the opening range gap, where we have the relationship between the regular trading hours, which is here. We have the 14,857 and 3/4 level. You want to have that highlighted there. And then you use this, and you started off with settlement. This is the word that's going to change in a moment when we find out in relationship to where market price is. Now we go back from regular trading hours to electronic trading hours, and we're above it. So this means that this is the opening range gap low, because it's below it. So you change settlement to low.